down. Defense, boys.
Get up.
Box out.
Score, 7-2. 15 to go.
Box out.
Inside coming. Incoming, incoming. Oy, travel. Good, don't jump too early.
Nice one!
Impact coming, incoming. Incoming. Hey, Edward.
Number one?
Relax, Edward. You got the initial shot.
Nice, Edward!
Impact, incoming. Edward, drop back, Edward. Coming.
All the way!
39 seconds!
Hey, wait. Noah. Good stop. 5-6 now. Noah.
That's time. Good job, boys. Sorry.
Sir, Bob, sir. Dalawa sabi ko, sir. Lunan, eh.
Blackboard.
Impact! Tama! Get in the middle!
Down. Sit down or
Go! Side corner.
Ayun, sige. Nakaraw kasi ito siya.
Get down!
Wala na. Ay, sayang.
Stay down, Julian! Yeah! Hey! Down. Julian, down! Oh, impact!
Let's move away!
Uy, sayang.
Let him light.
Less than 26 to go. 31-15.
Good one, Dave.
Relax!
Wala siya nag-usapan ng Pero isa pa si AJ. Hindi ba siya? Ano naman pag-usapan ng bata?
17-31.
Yan, eh.
Oh, impact!
Hati-hati tayo sa foul.
Gian. Use your foul, ha?
Go, sub. yan, pasa.
Nice, Henry! Ay, si Mami. Huwag ka mag-alala.
Edward, help!
Defense kaya, defense.
Yep! Tight, tight, boys! Tight, boys! Yeah!
Stop, stop! Stop! Chill, chill,
Basta ako naglalaro ako sa 1.9. Kasi para at least kita yung
Yep! Oh! Yeah!
Man, open your eyes. God damn it, man. Far out.
bagsak.
Okay.
Go, boys! Let's go!
Easy, boys! Yup. Ay, tanggalin!
Time out, time out. Less than 3 minutes. Done, done.
Samuel, you're getting physical. Oh, walang tawag. Okay, going ahead.
Yeah!
Down, DJ, down. Oh, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Bench warning tayo. Pagpili nga, bench warning nga. Ikaw lang dapat ah.
Dave, slow it down.
10 seconds!
6, 5, 4, yeah! Yes,
dapat nasa bench yung makapag-ball. Alright, tatlo lang. Guarding.
Ian!
Tatlo lang. Isang coach sa silang ng mga manager, ha?
Where's your manager? Ray! Sweet!
Relax.
Good, let's go! Hey, honestly, boys.
No good. Rebound. Number one block. Fourth personal foul, one graduate, number one. Foul. Both free throws, good.
Honestly.
Number 8. Pick up by number 33, 35. Most the ball. Ito lang ang mga play. Fast break. Foul. You foul it? Number 7. Number 7, third personal foul. Third.
Pass it back.
24. Pass to 35. 35. Pass. No good. Rebound, number 25. Right. Ito naman si number 7. Number 7. Umararo. 17. Layup. 25. Si number 25. Pinasa 14. Wala. Rebound. Ito na naman ang team. Pass break away. Seven. Foul. Foul up. 31. Block. Score. 35-27. 8-point lead by SKC. 31. One graduate coach. Edward, pass to number 31. Pass to number 17. Number 35. 35. to 31 to 17 for 3.
Julian, galing! Galing, Julian!
Number 2. Number 2. No good. Rebound number 7. 7 follow up to go.
One stop.
17. Yabu. Pass to number 31. No good. Rebound number 35. Pass to number 34. Rebound. 25. Foul. Number 17. Time out. White. First personal foul. 13 foul. Habs Musta. The score 37-13. 7 points by SAC.
Huwag ka magubad. Isang ganyan mo lang.
Shot for number 25. Arsenal. First basket is good.
Tahan siya, oh.
2 for 2.
Kita, baka malita.
For 2, no good. Rebound number 25. Kumingin. Pinasa kay 17 sa loob. Sinabas ulit. Wala pa rin. Ito naman mga puti. 25. 25, layup. Foul. Foul, rep.
1-7 block.
1-7 block. Second personal foul. Warning for penalty. Matt Musta. First basket is good. 14-13. 10 point lead.
You don't need to rebound.
Last shot. Nako pa rin mga puti. 11. Wala. Rebound by 17. Pass to number 35. For 3. No good. Rebound. Nabot nyo.
Julian!
2 points para kay 56.
Julian!
19. Black ball. Black ball. Pass to 17. 17. Kick out. Foul. Holding foul. Holding foul. Number 24.
Wala, Julian! Trying now!
Penalty. 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 No more time. No more time. No more time. No more time. First move is good. score, 42-34, 8-point lead by SKC.
Kaya lang, tama naman. Alam ko si Samuel.
Last quarter.
Nico! Defense na, ha?
Walo lang to. 10 minutes pa, tatak mo. White ball.
Nico, don't worry about the ball. Don't worry about your man, Nico.
Hoy! 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 Tapos!
11. 10, 9, 8, 7. No look. Rebound number 17. Yabot. Layup. Wala.
Yep.
Same ball. Umake, kick out for three. No good. Rebound. Yabot. Two points. Pala. Goal. For two. No good. Tama sa pader. Ito na mga nakaiting. Number 35.
Push!
35. Drive. Wala. Medyo maskip. Foul ng number 24. Second personal foul. First team foul, Matt Estan. Tap.
Swap with Nico. Swap with Nico.
25. Pass to 19. Maganda yung malaki. Number 2. Pinasa sa kabila. 10, 9, 8, for 3. 2 points. Follow-up shot by number 25. 25. 2 points.
Nico, nawa. Good challenge. Nico pala. Yeah.
7. Pass to number 2. Pass na ilalim nga libre. Ibon. Timeout. Magpusa. Nainiwan sa ilalim.
Ang score lang din.
Boys, wala mo na maglalaro. Pass to 17. Yabut. Foul. Foul number 9. Fourth personal foul. Warning to graduate. Number 9. 5 minutes and 55 seconds. First basket is good. Pito na lang ang lamang. Ganyan yung sa Hinebra PNP kagabi. 2-2. 4-6-40.
Igoy!
Foul. 14-24. Third personal foul, second team foul. Seven. Foul. Is that it? 17. Time out! SKC, 17. Third personal foul. Third team foul.
Saan mo lang? Saan mo lang? Yung isa.
4 minutes. First basket is good. 47-40. Last shot. Bigoy, Angka. Seventeen. Uy. Nakakuha. Number 9. Nasaan na? Kickball. Kickball. Ang linaw ng mata niya rin. Hindi pa pwede magsalamin. Number 1. Number 1. Pass to number 17. Number 17. Umatake. No good. Rebound. Ano dito? Naki 25 na naman ang bola. Number 2. Pasa. Number 11. Number 2. Wala bola. 7. Nakuha pa rin. Number 2. Wala. 25. Ito naman ang team. 35. Pinasa kay 31. 43. 43-47. Apat na lang ang laban. 2 minutes and 35. Number 11. Pass to number 7. 10. 9. 8. 2 ball. Pamatay sunog. 49-43.
Slice,
2 minutes and 10 seconds. 31. Pinasa ka number 1. 4-3. Walang pirma.
Hey, runners, slice.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Ito na po. Magkakaalaman na. Ten, 9, 8, 7. Easy there. Wala. Follow up. Wala. Rebound nino. Rebound number 1. Uy, nawala ang bola. Nakuha pa ni 11. Nakuha 17. Babaan naman na kay team. 31-3. Wala. Rebound. 35. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Number 7. Pinasa ka number 25.
118.
4-3. Wala. Walang pinagawa. 17. Foul. Who's fouled up? Foul number 11. White. SKC. Third personal foul. 107. 1 minute and 7 seconds.
Slice.
49-43, 6-point lead. Ayun lang po ito. Dalawang press. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Rebound na naman yung number 25. Malapit talaga ang bola. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Blackball, another chance.
One stop.
Another chance. 36 seconds, ha? 36 seconds. 31. Pinas ka number 1. 5 to number 56. 56. Jump in, wala. 25. Pinasa. Steve. Ano tayo naman? Foul on number 2. Wala pa. First personal foul, 13 foul. 17 seconds. Hindi makabalik ng isang tres. Ito na. 35, 43. Wala pa rin. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Outside.
Outside? Outside pala sa taas? Ay, 4 seconds ko lang.
4 seconds.
Knock the ball.
4, 3, 2, 1. You score. 49-43. Nice game, though. Nice game.
Good job, boy.
Okay. Awarding po tayo. Diretso na po tayo awarding.
Isa board.